Hello, this is Josiah Edwards, J. Edward 6, and I am about to demonstrate PackUmble, which is an application that I helped develop for the Homework 3 and Computer Science 342, and let's get started. So to start, it asks you to input a username, and then you can choose a favorite language. I'll go ahead and choose C#, and then I will click match to get started. So here we see a potential match. I'll hit left for no. Now Zong. I'll hit right to attempt a match, and I'll keep going until I do get a match. I see the fire animation, and then Travis appears down here, and with Travis down here, you're now able to see his email by clicking on the card, and then you can see the back of it, which just shows the email. And then a new potential match appears up here, and I'll swipe left on you, swipe right on you, keep swiping right until I get another match, and then Bryce appears down here on the right. You can see that it's its own individual email that displays there, and then yeah, it just keeps going like that for any number of potential matches. And then if you want to go back, you can just click home, and then you're back at the start. And then additionally, there is just some work that was done here on the Dockable website, where first we just wanted to be able to select the first, second, and third links to be able to highlight them just like this. And as you can see, the link changes color when I do that below. And next we just had to find the paragraph tag, which is just P. So I used the P paragraph tag just to be the constant with the different links. And then I also use query selectors to select all LI elements and set the font size to 200%, just like this. So put them all in a variable, and then iterate through, and then increase the font size to 200%. And then next we just had to adjust this selector to work with this list, and just appending hello to this list, and then changing the color of the first element. And you can see right here that the file was created successfully for this selector. So that's all. All right, thank you.